Hello, geography folks. Just wanted to give you some quick hints on how to get through this impacts of resource distribution portfolio. That's a mouthful. So as you go through this, right here is going to be this video after I get it recorded. But you're going to click on this document, which will bring up this Google Doc. And this is how I want you to turn in this assignment. So you're going to, before you get started, you're going to make a copy. So I'll go File, make a copy, and I'm going to replace this copy of with my name. So my name is David Swift, and then I'm going to click on Make a Copy. After you make that copy, make sure you close out of that original because you can't type in there anyway because you don't have that permission. And then we're ready to be able to fill in this portfolio. But what do we do with it? That's where we go back to the instructions. So you'll note this has 17 pages. So this is 17 pages of instruction on how to do this portfolio, which is a lot. I'm going to give you that. So I'm just going to real quick go through it and show you what's here. So there is a link to that worksheet, but this is a PDF worksheet and it's harder to fill out. It's less clear what you need to do. So I really want you to do it on that Google Doc that I showed you. Okay, there's a rubric. And this rubric actually is weird how they set this up. It only covers the first half. But that's okay. So we're going to go through this. It talks about resources in the world, natural resources, and colonization and globalization and some other things. So I'm already on page 4. I'm just cruising through this because I want to get to this page. This talks about oil and natural gas distribution. You're going to talk about lumber distribution. We have lumber here in Oregon, but they don't have it everywhere in the world. And so it talks about oil here, and you're going to do a similar thing with lumber. So we get to page 9, and here's some really specific instructions. So on question 1, which we can see back here, question 1, it's going to ask you to find, to research lumber. And this tells you you're going to research online. It gives you some more specifics. And here's question 2, gives you some more specific instructions how to answer that. It gives you another link to that worksheet. Again, that's this worksheet here. This is the one that you're filling in. So you got question 1, question 2. I made this into a table so it's easier to know when you're done. And we're going to go on to page 10. And this actually starts what looks to me like it was a separate portfolio at one point. It's not separate anymore. There's a video to watch. And then we get to instructions on how to do this this second page. Or the second part. So what you'll notice as you go through this worksheet, we start out with question 1. That's cool. And wait, there's more than one question on question 1. Yep, there's a whole bunch of blanks for question 1. Every white space is where you're gonna fill something in. Okay, we get to question 2. Oh yeah, it comes after question 1. Totally makes sense. We keep going. There's question 1 again. So this is a different question 1, and this is on that second part of the portfolio. So hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you know, or this helps you to get through this portfolio more easily. Let me know if you have questions. You can always email me, and I'd be happy to help you. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.